Hey, welcome back to another MCAT Mnemonic Monday. My name is Ken, and I'm an MCAT expert with MedSchoolCoach. Today, we have a biology mnemonic for you, and it's on purines and pyrimidines. These are nitrogenous bases that are part of the structure of nucleotides. Up here on the board, you can see we've drawn the structures of all 5 nitrogenous bases. And for the MCAT, you do need to know which ones are the purines and which ones are the pyrimidines. So here we can see that adenine and guanine with their 2 ring structures are the purines, and cytosine, thymine, uracil with the 1 ring structure are the pyrimidines. The mnemonic that we can use to help memorize these is, for purines, pure as gold. So purines, you have the word pure in there. So pure as gold tells us that the purines are adenine and guanine. For pyrimidines, we have the word pyramid in pyrimidines. So we say that pyramids, they have this triangular structure. They're sharp, so they cut. And cut tells us that the pyrimidines are cytosine, uracil, and thymine. And as an extra bonus, when you think about purines, because they are pure, their structure is intact. So the purines are going to have 2 rings in their structure. When you think about the pyrimidines, because they're sharp and they cut, they've been cut. So they only have 1 ring. So that's an extra bonus to help you remember that purines have 2 rings and pyrimidines only have 1 ring.